Have you ever wondered how your favorite video game works? It's not just magic, though it certainly feels like it. Imagine your computer or a gaming console is a big, fancy kitchen and your favorite video game is a delicious cake. The cake doesn't just appear out of nowhere, right? You need a recipe to create it. Just like that, behind every video game, website, or app, there's a secret language at work. This language is known as coding or programming. It's the recipe that tells your computer or device exactly what to do, just like how a recipe tells you what ingredients to use and how to mix them to bake your cake. When you press a button on your controller, the code springs into action, making your character jump, run, or even fly. It's the secret ingredient that brings the whole game to life. So, think of coding like the secret recipe that makes your favorite video game so much fun. But what's in this secret recipe, you ask? Well, let's dive right in. Coding, much like baking, is made up of different ingredients or elements that all work together to create something fantastic. Think of variables as little boxes. You can put anything you like in these boxes, from numbers to words and even other boxes. They're like the flour in our baking recipe, a base that holds everything together. Next, we have loops. And imagine you're singing a song and there's a catchy chorus that repeats itself over and over again. That's what loops in coding are like. They keep repeating an action until it's done. It's like the sugar in our recipe adding that sweet, repetitive rhythm. Finally, we have functions. They're like magic spells. You say the magic words, wave your magic coding wand, and poof! The function performs a specific task, like making our game character jump or our web page load. They're the special ingredient that makes our baking recipe unique. So in our recipe, variables, loops, and functions are like the ingredients that make our game tasty. But wait, there's more than one secret language? Yes, you heard it right. Just like we humans speak different languages like English, Spanish, or Mandarin, computers have their own languages too. These are called programming languages, and there's a whole bunch of them. Imagine you're in a bustling city where people are chattering away in different languages. In the world of coding, it's kinda like that. You might hear the smooth and simple Python, known for its readability and straightforwardness. Or you might encounter the energetic JavaScript, which is everywhere on the internet and helps make websites interactive. And then there's the powerful C++, a language that's like the strongman at the gym, used for creating complex computer programs. Each of these languages has its own rules, its own syntax, and is used for different things. Just like how we use different languages to communicate, computers use different coding languages to create different things. Now, let's see what the secret language can do. Coding, folks, is like a magical toolbox. It's the secret ingredient that breathes life into our favorite video games. With coding, we can instruct our on-screen heroes to run, jump, or even slay a dragon. Imagine being the puppet master of your own digital world. But the power of coding stretches far beyond the realms of gaming. Ever wondered how websites are so colorful, interactive, and fun? That's coding too. By using a blend of various coding languages, web designers paint a vibrant canvas on your screen, making your online journey enjoyable. And it doesn't stop there. Coding is also the brain inside many robots, helping them to walk, talk, and perform tasks. It's like teaching a robot a new trick. From games to websites and robots, coding is the invisible thread that weaves the tapestry of our digital world. So coding is the magic wand that turns our ideas into reality. Do you want to become a coding wizard too? Well, guess what? You can! Coding isn't just for grown-ups or super smart scientists. It's for anyone and everyone who has a spark of curiosity and a zest for problem solving. Imagine being able to tell your computer exactly what to do. Pretty cool, right? And the best part is, learning to code can be as fun as playing a game. There are tons of resources out there that can turn you into a coding wizard. Websites, apps, and even coding games are designed to make coding fun and easy for kids. You could create your own animations, design a new game, or even build a website, all with the power of coding. And who knows, maybe one day, You'll be the one creating the next big thing in technology. Remember, every great coder started out just like you, curious and ready to learn. So, are you ready to start your coding adventure?